Welcome back, guys, CryptoFLR channel. Today we'd like to talk about a FLR USDT trading pair with my customer set main bull run plan. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, so let's start with basic data. Circulation supply, market cap, the historical data. So take a look at this current moment at around 3 cents. The market cap already like 1.1 billion. Circulation supply 42, around 42.7 billion, right, coins here, and total supply it's 100 billion. If you take a look on a drop tab, basically only 42% coins unlocked. So I recommend you pay attention for the potential vesting period. Unfortunately, on drop tab there's no available vesting schedule, right, and no data about vesting on crypto rank. Only here is schedule for FLR network, this one for 36 months. But we can see the correct data, which percentage will be unlocked at this time period, right? So it's by months. So it's kind of not comfortable, right, to track. So anyway, this one, the initial token launch date for FLR network was like January 10th, 2023, and we got like 36 months. So for basically for 3 years, we gotta lock at tokens, right? And step by step, by months, we will see the unlock. So till 100 billion, right? So just in case. So keep in mind. So if you believe, for example, this coin in the next 3 years will be like let's say 2026 will be like $1, you have to understand. So with fully unlocked tokens, so this market cap should be like 100 billion market cap. So it's around like I guess over than XRP, right? So take a look at the ranking. We can open the charts. So 100 billion market cap, yes, it's like Tether. So it's over than BNB. So just in case, guys, I recommend you learn how to work with market cap, with vesting schedule, with unlocks, and with all this stuff, right? So take a look at the fundraising rounds. So take a look, and now the price is 2 cents, and the private round, this one, private first one, then next one, it was like at 0.2012. So these guys still in profit at this current moment, like I guess 2,000%, right? And even bigger run, no, 21x. So it's much bigger. Second round was like 0.203. So just in case, guys. So this guy has huge profit now for this token. And take a look how it's usually playing out. We got a listing, right? And they dumped the price almost to the price rounds. So I hope a lot of people fixed the profit here, and we dump it here in October 2023, right? And no makes sense, dump the price once again lower, right? So we will see. Anyway, we'll see. I add to this calculator this current circulation supply, so we'll count the data. So take a look now on market cap. So the highest point of the market cap, now it's like 1.1 billion market cap. The highest point market cap was like around, I guess, 1.2, 1.8 billion. So it's not a low cap. So just in case, it's not a low cap. We are not so early, right? Or so even now to hit $1, we have to reach like 42 billion market cap. So 42 billion market cap, a FLR should be over than XRP, for example, or Dogecoin, Toncoin. Build a realistic price targets. We can't use the initiation accumulation pump model for this token because we dump it under listing price. So the model invalidated, right? What we can use based on this chart to count potential targets for this token. We can use this as like a top. So I'm not count this weak candle, right? So this no makes sense, right? And also pay attention markets, the biggest volume on the Gate.io. But on a max, it's not a big volume, right? But we can count this like correction, or we can go to, for example, Gate.io. Anyway, basically the targets can be similar, right? First of all, we can count like this support by our global model, right? So this is a top, this is a drop, support, bounce at 27 level. We test almost 27 level. If this model are correct, right? So we should now hold the line at 0.023. If we take a look at a monthly time frame, basically we can test once again 0.013 once again to close the monthly fulfill. But of course, this block can be like support. Based on this FIB custom one, the next step is 11 cents, 17, and 22. So just mark these potential targets. Also keep in mind we can move like this one. Yes, everything possible. We build the realistic entries. If we count, for example, from this entry, from this low, just an average, we're not so far from the bottom, right? So it's 226%. It's not a big deal, right? That's why the people, and I would like to show it on the indicator set, that's why the people after 600%, they took a profit. And now maybe they can ride with the free coins. Always try to fix profit and leave free coins because it's absolutely zero risk. Also, this zone, this monthly gap will be like a main support now for FLR. Let's mark it like monthly fair value gap. Based on this FIB, if you accumulate it here, 0.561 level FIB, it's okay to fix some profit. And next step is here. So let's count the 11 cents, 4.7 billion market cap. Next one is 17, it's 7.2 billion market cap. So just in case, so you understand the numbers. If you believe that FLR, with this current circulation supply, we're not count the potential unlocks, right? Should be like in the top 20. Yes, I guess in top 20 over than Uniswap. Of course, we understand that till that time when the FLR can hit 17 cents, the Uniswap will be with a bigger circulation supply and market cap. Like example, here's historical snapshot. You can scroll it down, find out, for example, the 2021, let's say November, when we saw the end of bull run. So it was somebody called it like in November. I more than sure the end of bull run was in April 2021, May 2021. But anyway, so take a look, 7 billion market cap. So 7 billion market cap, it's like similar the top 20, top 30. You know, we should be like around like ICP, like Stellar, Axie Infinity, or then Cosmos, HBAR, Philcoin, Mana. So you remember the hype around the Mana, right? The metaverse, Near Protocol, Phantom, right? Tesla's Flow. So it's a good comparison, you know, on historical snapshot to understand the project was in the top 50, for example, and what the market cap was. I think, yes, it's more than real to see, for example, like 17, but it can be the top. It can be the potential top for this token if we use the lowest point here. So the lowest point was 0.2081. Got it. So take a look. To hit 7 billion market cap, it's going to be like 2,000% gains. So it's a big numbers, right? And to hit 22 cents, it's going to be like 2,700% gains. 23, so it's like 10 billion market cap. Of course, guys, it's just a hypothetical price targets, right? So there is no top, right? Because everything what is about 8 cents is going to be the new all-time high. If we take a look on a max, the all-time high was like here, 21 cents. So yes, we can go and sweep this high. So it can be like a trigger for FLR if you believe in this project, for example. So let's take a look now with my custom indicator set on a weekly time frame. What's going on with this token now? Potential targets for support I showed you, and targets for correction I showed you, like a monthly fair value gap. And let's take a look with indicator set on a weekly time frame. What's going on now? Here, this is accumulation. This is accumulation. So the way I step by step accumulate this coin. It's good. Now we're just in the middle. That's why I would like to see one more drop, this one, and we can come into once again accumulation zone on ADZ. So it will be more positive. Yes, correction will be more positive for a long run. And direction, no signal for accumulation. Here, how you can use it and combine it. So after correction, this one, we got accumulation zones, even with the divergency, because here's a lower low, this one, and here's a higher lows. And we lay down at the bottom on direction on the weekly time frame. For investments, I personally use more like monthly or weekly time frames. Market mood. Here, let's even add the alert. I don't have a plan to buy the FLR, no matter what targets we drop. Capitulation. If we will see the capitulation on the market mood indicator, because basically we never seen the depression zone or capitulation on this coin, because here, after all this hype, we see only this disbelief, then pump again to euphoria. 600%. Yes, it was like 600, I guess. Yes, no, around 600. And next one is money power indicator. So here was money inflow, RSI, bullish, divergency. This one, here's the money outflow. We need to see something similar. Once again, the money inflow for continuation. So let's add alert. Maybe all these alerts I will share in Telegram chat. So keep in mind, you can track the updates on Telegram, because it's impossible to make updates for each coins all the time with the video. Trade on indicator here was signal to buy. Confirmation here was a signal take profit, some profit. Here's a signal to sell. No new signal to buy or sell. Here's how it looks like on a daily. So it's for intraday. But here was last signal to buy, pump, sell, 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 sell. You can fix a profit. So that's why I use the weekly time frame more for swing trades or for investment. And last one is take profit. Unfortunately, we don't have a data on weekly time frame because not enough data for this indicator. And here's the daily time frame. Here we drop under from the price, bounce from the buy line. So it was the perfect test. And now we trade away over exit line. What is good scenario? You will be surprised, but a good scenario for FLR if we dump like this one, 23%, lower to test the buy line, and fundamental wall of this coin now it's 0.015. So I don't think so we dump to fundamental wall of this coin, but to test the buy line, it's more than real to see. 12-hour time frame also. Take a look, we even lower, 0.018. And 0.018, it's around here. It's the beginning of this monthly fair value gap. So this one is support. Everything what is about 5 cents is open space for potential new all-time high. And if you believe in 7 billion market cap or even higher, 22 cents, and even 10 billion market cap for FLR, yes, we can pump to this area. And also what is interesting on CoinMarketCap here is you can scroll it down and find out. So this is layer 1 and this coin in DWF Labs portfolio. So just in case. So everything can be so manipulated, right? So guys, all potential targets I showed you. If you would like to trade with my customer request what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.